Today we are going to change some bulbs. We're going to upgrade to some LEDs on our 2012 Prius. We're going to be working with two types. These are common type bulbs. The little ones are the T10s and the larger ones are the 7443 type or size. They are coming from our friends at Lasfit, and they do come with a 1-year warranty. If you want to find out more information or have any questions, lasfit.com is where you can find them. And so we're going to go ahead and show you how to install these. It's pretty simple and straightforward, and we'll show you the difference of the before and after of the halogen versus these LEDs. Alright, so the specific areas we're going to be working in is going to be the reverse lights. That is going to be the larger ones. And then we're going to do license plate bulbs, and the parking bulbs happen to be the same style bulb. So we will show you how to do that next. So our parking light bulb is located right in the top of the headlight assembly. You can see a small little bulb sticking up right there inside. So on the driver's side, I'm going to reach in there and twist it this direction, which would be counterclockwise to loosen. And then we're going to pull it down. It's kind of a tight fit, so we're going to have to be careful not to yank on the wire too hard. But there is the little small bulb right there. And we're going to replace it with the LED. And putting it back, it's not too difficult. You can pull the harness out, just press it in. You can flip it either way, doesn't matter. There's no polarity to these bulbs. And then just pop it back up in, make sure you get it seated, and then twist it in the proper direction. Woo! There we go. Alright, now we are at the passenger side. Of course, the bulb's in the same location at the top. This one's a little bit easier to reach. You don't quite have to bend your wrist around, although the cable is a little bit shorter. So do the same, just pull it right out. The bulb itself, you don't need to twist it to lock it in. You just press it into position, and then the twist and lock part is just the socket. So I've pressed it in. Gotta just find our way back up into that opening. There it is. Okay. And you notice you might have to twist it around to get it to fully pop up, and then you can twist and lock it. There we go. Don't want to break it now. Alright, next we are going to replace the reverse lights with LEDs, and there's a little access panel inside the cargo area. Just squeeze the tab and pull down, and then you can see there's a couple of sockets here. The reverse lights can be the lower one, which is the clear bulb. The amber one is for the turn signal. Let's see, so we're going to twist it and pull it back, which a little bit of a tight fit because the wiring harness is clipped in right below. But there's the bulb. And same thing, you just pull it out of there. Shouldn't break or anything. But then just press in the new LED. It should feel like a little snap when it's all the way down. And then, oh, there we go. I just noticed that. So the place where it's clipped in, it actually, you can pull the wire up and out of this little hook down here. Then that gives you more room to maneuver the bulb in and get it seated, and then twist, and you can feel it snap. Then you can tuck your wire back inside. Okay, there we go. And then just replace the cover. Make sure you get the right side up, the correct side. Alright, there we go. Now we got a new reverse light bulb done. Okay, and then the passenger side reverse light is accessed the same way by pulling out the cover and twisting and pulling back the bulb socket, and then just pull out the bulb. Careful not to tug on the wire too hard. Then we'll replace it with our LED. Make sure we got that wire free so we can maneuver the socket back in. And then twist and snap that socket in place. Put our cover back. And there we go. So now I have opened up the hatch, the rear hatch of the vehicle, and we're going to remove these two little access panels to get to the license plate bulbs. You'll see a little notch there where you can take a flathead screwdriver and just, there you go, just pry it and pull it out. It hooks in so you can pull down this way. And then there's your bulb and socket. So you can twist that counterclockwise, pull out the bulb, replace it with your LED, just pushes in, and there we go. Make sure it gets seated properly and twist it back into position, and then you just put back your panel and go to the other side. Oh, that one's a little tight. All right. Let's see. Make sure it's going in correctly. This one is really tight. Okay, I think it's in. Alright, then you just put back your panel and you're done. Alright, here we have our parking light bulb, our LED after installation. And as you can see, it's nice and bright compared to a halogen bulb, this being the headlight low beam bulb. And even though it's larger, you can see how bright an LED is in comparison. And here we have our LED license plate illumination bulbs installed, 2 of them. All right, now we're going to put the vehicle into reverse so that you can see those lights illuminate. Ah, nice and bright. Even compared to the stock LEDs, which would be the red lights, the brake lights. And later tonight, we will show you the bulbs illuminated in the dark.
This is before. Alright, here is after installing the LED bulb. This is before. Here's after installing the LED bulb for the reverse light. Before. Here's after installing the LED for the parking light. It's brighter than the halogen bulb headlight. As you can see, it's really white and the halogen bulb is yellow.